In a peaceful forest lived a big but kind-hearted elephant named Iman. He loved helping others. One day, he gently lifted a little rabbit that was stuck near the river and placed it safely on the ground. And later, he fixed a small bird's broken nest on a tree branch. However, in the evening, when the sun was setting, Iman stood alone by the river, and a tear rolled down his eye because he felt that maybe he had no real friends. The little bird Lilo noticed his sadness and quickly called all the animals of the forest. Soon, rabbits, deer, monkeys, and birds gathered around him and happily said, "Iman, you are our best friend." Hearing this filled Iman's eyes with happy tears, and he realized that true kindness never goes to waste. It always returns as friendship and love.